Today, we are gonna learn how to solve equations that have variables on both sides. At first, equation like this can be confusing or look confusing, but I promise they are manageable once you know the steps. So let's start with this example. Okay, we have 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. The first step is to get all the variables terms on one side of the equation. In this case, we have we have 2x on the left side and we have x on the right side, okay? So now we're going to subtract x from both sides, okay? So we're going to do this minus x minus x. So also, just note that when we just have an x here, just an x here, it also means that it's 1, okay? So any x that's there is just 1x, okay? So that's 2x minus x, that'll give you x. Right. That'll give you x, okay? So you gonna have x by itself now. That's x plus 3 equals 7, okay? So now this is um we can now treat this like a regular one-step equation. So we're gonna subtract 3 from both sides, okay? That's minus 3 minus 3. That x equals 4, okay? So to check your answer, we're gonna plug it back into the original question, okay? So we have 2 in parentheses 4 plus 3 equals x parentheses 4 plus 7. Okay, now we're gonna plug them in. So 2 times 4, that'll give you 8 plus 3 equals x times 4 is the same thing as 1 times 4. That's 4 plus 7. So 8 plus 7, that's 11 equals 4 plus 7, that's also 11. So both sides match. So x is 4 and x equals 4 is not is the correct answer. So let's try something that's slightly harder, but you'll soon understand why it's simple and not hard. Okay, so that's 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 9. So first move the smaller x term to the left by subtracting 2x from both sides. So that's minus 2x minus 2x. Okay, so we now have um x plus 5 equals 9, okay? Because 3x minus 2x, that'll give you 1, just write the x there, okay? So now, this is now also a one-step equation. So we just subtract 5 on both sides. That'll be x equals 4. To also check it, it's still the same way. You 3x in parentheses, 4 plus 5 equals 2 in parentheses 4 plus 9. So we just do that 3 times 4. That will give you 12. That's 12 plus 5 equals 2 times 4. That will give you 8 plus 9. So 12 plus 5, that's 17, equals 8 plus 9, that's 17. So we're correct again. Now let's do an example with negative numbers, okay? So we're gonna next one is gonna be with a negative number. So that's 4x minus 7 equals 2x plus 5. Okay. Now we're gonna subtract 2x from both sides. Okay. So that's minus 2x minus 2x. Okay. So that's 2x minus 7 equals 5. Okay. So this time, this is a negative 7. So we're just going to do the reverse order. So it's just plus, you just add 7 both sides. Okay. So now you now have 2x equals 15. I meant 12. Sorry. Wait, 12. 12. So now we are not gonna write it again, like I said in the last video. So the teacher will understand what you're actually doing. So divide both sides by 2. That'll give you x by itself equals 6. So now x is equal to 6. If you just want to know again, just to make sure you're correct and all those stuff, it's fine to do it's fine to check your answer. It doesn't matter if you knew or already know it. Yeah, if you want to like be very sure and you get the correct answer, always just check your work, okay? So now parentheses 6 minus 7 equals equals 2 in parentheses 6 plus 5, okay? So now we have 4 in parentheses 6, so um that's 24 plus that's 24 minus, okay? Minus 7 equals 2 times 6, that'll give you 12 plus 5. So 24 minus 7, that'll give you 17 equals 12 plus 5, that will also give you 17. This shows the answer is correct. That's perfect, okay? Here's a tip. Here's a tip that I'm just gonna give you. Always move the variables that has the smaller coefficient to the other side. It keeps the number easier to handle. And always check your work by plugging it in back into the original equation. So let's review the step. Step 1, move all move all variable terms to one side. Step 2, simplify and solve the remaining equation. Step 3, check your answer. Check, Step 3 is check your answers. Equations with variables on both sides are not as scary as they look. Once you practice this, well, and you feel just like it would just feel easy just like other equations, okay? So that is for today. Keep practicing. In the next video we can start solving multiple step word problems with variables on both sides. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye.